Welcome. If you've ever found yourself with a pile of unread messages in your archived chats on Telegram, today's guide is just for you. We're going to walk through the updated steps to mark specific archived chats as read, so you can keep your Telegram organized and notification-free. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account where your archived chats are stored. Once you're in, you'll land on your main chat list, where all your conversations are displayed. Now, to access your archived chats, simply scroll all the way to the top of your chat list. If you have any archived conversations, you'll see a folder labeled Archived Chats appear at the top. Tap on this folder to open it and view all your archived conversations in one place. Next, it's time to select the chats you want to mark as read. Press and hold on one of the chats you want to update. This will activate selection mode, allowing you to tap and select additional chats if needed. Once you've chosen all the chats you want, look for the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of the screen and tap them. This will open a menu with several options. From this menu, select Mark as Read. Instantly, all the selected archived chats will be marked as read, clearing those unread message badges and helping you stay on top of your conversations. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've managed to mark specific archived chats as read in Telegram. This simple habit can help you keep your messaging experience clean and stress-free, making sure you never miss an important update while keeping your chat list tidy. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips for organizing your Telegram chats and making the most out of your messaging app. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a clutter-free Telegram experience.